Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the final townhouse update video, and as you can see, it is done. It is finally done. I am so ecstatic to have my weekends back, and this place looks incredible. It's done for now. There's some big things in the future that we want to do to the place, some littler things here and there, but for the most part, it is done. It is ready to rent. I will leave the link for the Airbnb down in the description if you guys are curious about wanting to stay here in Panama City Beach. But besides that, I'll show you guys around. So walking through the front door, you are greeted with the living room. We have some couches in here, some end tables, some decorations of plants. On Instagram, ironically, someone really liked this rug, so we got it on Amazon. This is one of those things with the TV that is a future project. We're gonna come down to about 6 boards right here and fill it all in and make it a nice built-in. But for now, a nice little Walmart TV stand will have to do. There's games and stuff in there with the remotes right here. Of course, I'm doing laundry right now, so you can hear that. The table's here with the placemats. Kitchen is all done. My wife is eventually gonna put different seat covers on these just because the brown doesn't really match that well with anything in the kitchen. We finally got that upper cabinet done up, and it looks so good. It just looks really, really good with everything finally all cleaned up. If you do come and check in, we'll give you some little K-cups and everything like that. And then we have the little guest sign-in book. We have a map right here that you can pin where you're from. The laundry room obviously is done and working. We have stackable units right in here for the tenants. Little peek of the backyard. Someone's doing construction out here. We're gonna get a barbecue and put the barbecue right there. And then we have the side yard all nice and done as well. This is one of those things that's gonna, this is one of those things for the future that's gonna get done. We're gonna put an actual bonfire pit here, take this fence out, get a retaining wall that continues to go, but for the meantime I just painted it, and then we'll have pavers all throughout here as well to make it good. So going upstairs, they're all finished up. Caulking everything was a huge ordeal, guys, and painting everything to make sure it was all nice and seamed in, and the stairs are all done. But caulking everything took a while. You know, making sure like all the finishing pieces, you know, you could see right here, caulked all of that as well. No gaps, nothing like that. Coming upstairs, got the owner's closet filled with everything. Guest bath up here is done. And then eventually, this is another one of those future things, but we're gonna take out this whole wall right here because as you can see, it goes all the way up, and we did not put a door back in just because it swung inward to the shower and it made for no room right there. So eventually we're gonna take out this whole wall. Coming into this bedroom right here, we got the TV all hooked up, curtains all up, pictures and everything, seating outside to overlook the trees and everything, 2 full beds, and a queen size bed in here. And then of course, now I'm doing this video, I just realized with the bedding and the wash, so you won't be able to see how nice this room looks. But we have the bedding right there with the king bed and TV hung up right here on the wall. And then this dresser was brown and now it's a nice white. It looks really, really good. And then we got some neighbors outside. And then you got your view of the beach right there. So guys, I am overly ecstatic to be done with this thing. Not just because it was a pain in the butt and it took up all my weekend, but just because it was a pain in the butt and it took up all of my weekend. I love focusing on YouTube and on other projects. This is something that we definitely want to get into more with real estate, but something a little smaller. That was the plan the first time. The plan was to get a 600 square foot place, 1 bed, 1 bath, that's it. But again, this deal was way too good to pass up. So I will leave the information for this down in the description. And now I'm gonna show you guys some before photos of this place along with some after photos, just because it's really hard to take it all in unless you see them side by side. So thank you guys for following along on this journey. I appreciate it. I know it's not Toyota stuff. However, it is another passion of mine, and I feel like I could share that with the channel. But nonetheless, I appreciate it again, guys, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.